Hello students, today we will be very clear about what is time and what is tax. Generally, the students are confused between the two words, time and tense. Time and tense, though they are related to each other, but they are different from each other. The concept is different. First of all, we should know what is time. Time is a universal concept, whereas the word tense stands for a verb form or a series of verb forms used to express a time relation. For example, Mr. Nirajala Panda teaches the students. The verb teaches is in present tense, so the sentence is in present tense. But when the verb form is related to its activities, then Mr. Nirajala Panda taught his students in the past. Mr. Panda teaches his students. Mr. Panda will teach the students. That means the first sentence is in the past, the second sentence is in the present, and the third sentence is in the future time. That means the activities of Nirajala Panda refers to in the past, in the present, and in the future. In English, the verbs are in two forms, present form and in past form. For example, am is in present tense, its past form was. Are in present, were in past, play in present, played in past, do in present, did in past. Since the verbs have two forms, the tense is also in two forms. What are they? They are present tense and past tense. Now look at the sentences. Mr. Panda is teaching the students now. The verb is in present tense, so the tense is in present tense. Mr. Panda taught the students. The verb taught in past tense and the time also in past tense, is also in past tense. Mr. Panda is going to Puri tomorrow. Is in present tense, but the time is in future. That means tense is of two types, present tense and past tense. But we can divide the time into three broad concepts, past, present and future. Finally, every tense is divided into four concepts, indefinite, simple, progressive or continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. That means every tense is divided into four broad concepts, present simple, present progressive, present perfect, present perfect progressive. Similarly, past indefinite, past progressive, past perfect progressive. The structures of simple present tense. Simple present tense structure विषय आज आलोचना करिया. गोटे वाक्यटा को देखला मात्रे आमे जानिया पड़िबो जे एही वाक्यटी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस रे अछि. That means we should know the structures. If we know the structures, then it is very easy to write the sentence. And we can express our feelings through the sentence. Yeah. First of all, we have to know what is a compliment. Compliment what? Compliment कहा कहा जाए? Compliment कहले ଯିଏ ବାକ୍ୟଟାର ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅର୍ଥ ପରିପ୍ରକାଶ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରେ ତାକୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ କୁହାଯାଏ। A word or a group of words or a noun phrase or an adjective which completes a sentence is known as a complement. For example, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ବାକ୍ୟଟି କହେ he is, ବାକ୍ୟଟା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ହେଲା ନାହିଁ। କାହିଁକି ହେଲା ନାହିଁ? ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ଯଦିଓ ଏ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟଟି ଅଛି, ଭର୍ବ ବି ଅଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ବାକ୍ୟ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅର୍ଥ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରୁନାହିଁ। ଯଦି ମୁଁ ବାକ୍ୟରେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ ୱାର୍ଡ ଏହିପରିକି ଏ ଡକ୍ଟର କିମ୍ବା ଫ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଏ ଟଲ୍ ପରେ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ଯୋଗ କରିଦେବି, ବାକ୍ୟଟା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ହେଇଯିବ। ହି ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଡକ୍ଟର, ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅର୍ଥ ପ୍ରକାଶ ପାଇଲା। ହି ଇଜ୍ ଟଲ୍, ହି ଇଜ୍ ଫ୍ୟାଟ୍, ତେଣୁ ଏ ଡକ୍ଟର, ଫ୍ୟାଟ୍, ଟଲ୍ এই ওয়ার্ড যাকে আমি কমপ্লিমেন্ট বলি কহু। বর্তমান স্ট্রাকচার দেখিবা, যদি সবজেক্টটি থিব, সবজেক্ট অনুসারে এম ইজ আর প্লস কমপ্লিমেন্ট, যদি আমি তাকে নেগেটিভ করিয়া সবজেক্ট এম ইজ আর প্লস নট প্লস কমপ্লিমেন্ট, যদি কোশ্চিন্রে করিবা এম ইজ আর প্লস সবজেক্ট প্লস কমপ্লিমেন্ট কোশ্চিন মার্ক, am is a subject plus not plus complement question mark, am is a plus not plus subject plus complement question mark. This example naba, he is a teacher, he is not a teacher, is he a teacher, is he not a teacher, is not he a teacher. Clear? Out nature. They are players, they are not players. Are they players, are they not players, are not they players. द्वितीय स्ट्रक्चर सब्जेक्ट थी हैज किंबा हैव थी प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट थी, तब नेगेटिव कर सब्जेक्ट हैज और हैव प्लस नॉट प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, इंटीग्रेटिव कर हैज और हैव सब्जेक्ट प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्वेश्चन मार्क, हैज और हैव सब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, हैज और हैव प्लस नॉट प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्वेश्चन मार्क। पंच स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पर किसी एग्जांपल देखो, ही हैज ए पेन, ही हैज नॉट ए पेन, हैज ही ए पेन, हैज he not a pen, has not he a pen. Clear? Some out example naba, they have fruits, they have not fruits, have they fruits, have they not fruits, have not they fruits question. Clear? এটা হচ্ছে has a subject plus has কিংবা have plus complement. থার্ড স্ট্রাকচার আছে, সবজেক্টটি থিব, ভরবান থিব বা সবজেক্ট থিব, ভরবান থিব প্লাস অদর ওয়ার্ডস থিব। বার্ডস ফ্লাই সবজেক্টটি ভার্বটি, কিন্তু আর কହୁଛି দে প্লে ক্রিকেট, সবজেক্টটি ভার্বটি কিছু অদর ওয়ার্ডস আছে, তেণু সবজেক্ট প্লাস ভরবান। এই ভরবান নেগেটিভ হবে, when we convert the verbal into negative, not কেবে মধ্য ভরবান রে বসিব না। কোন করিয়া পড়িব, ଆମେ ଡୁ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିର ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ନେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। ଭର୍ବ ୱାନ୍ କୁ ଡୁ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଭର୍ବ ୱାନ୍ରେ ସନ୍ନିବେଶିତ କରିବା। We have divided the verb one into two parts, do plus verb. Birds fly, birds do not fly. Do birds fly? Question mark. Structure देखो, subject plus verb one plus other words, subject plus do plus not plus verb one plus other words, do plus subject plus verb one plus not plus verb 1 plus other words question mark. Do not plus subject plus verb 1 plus other words question mark. They play cricket. They do not play cricket. Do they play cricket? Do they not play cricket? Do not they play cricket? शेष स्ट्रक्चर देखिए जदि सब्जेक्ट थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर थी वर्ब 1 रे एस किंबा ईएस युक्त हो अर्थात द वर्ब टेक्स एस आर ईएस व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट इज इन थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर फॉर एग्जांपल दे प्ले दे टा होची थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल तेणु प्ले यदि मैं थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर कर देबी ही प्लेज क्रिकेट आई गो टू स्कूल गीता गोज टू स्कूल ईएस युक्त हो एस किंबा ईएस युक्त हो जेते बेला हम नेगेटिव करिबा इंटरोगेटिव करिबा तेबे ये वर्बल जो एस ईएस अछि आको संधि विच्छेद करिया पड़िबो दैट मींस वी मेक द वर्ब 1 plus es into two parts. Does plus verb. If the place asila, does plus play kariya. Example: writes, do plus write. Does plus do. Drinks, does plus drink. Eats, does plus eat. Subject plus verb 1 plus s or es. Subject plus does not plus verb 1 does plus subject plus verb 1 question mark does plus subject plus not plus verb 1 question mark does not plus subject plus verb 1 question mark clear एपरि 20 टा सेंटेंस कि चारटा स्ट्रक्चर प्रति स्ट्रक्चर 5 वाक्य परिणत होछि एपरि 20 टा स्ट्रक्चर अछि ए 20 टा स्ट्रक्चर हम मन रखि देले सिंपल प्रेजेंट लिखाटा बहुत सहज आगामी क्लास रे द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डिस्कस द यूजेस ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस ओके